Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Design and Development of IoT based health monitoring system, or else real-time patient health monitoring system using Arduino Android app. So power supply, Arduino Uno R3 board, and we are using total LM35 temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, humidity sensor, ECG sensor, and fault detection sensor. Total 5 sensors we are using. Heartbeat sensor, it is connected to the A0. LM35 temperature sensor, it is connected with the A1. Humidity sensor, it is connected to the A2. ECG sensor, it is connected with the A3. ADXL335 fault detection sensor, it is connected with A4, A5. And we are using Wi-Fi ESP8266 module. And 16 cross 2 LC display, it is connected with RS, enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th pin number. And we are getting the email alerts also. Okay. So when we open the link, it will ask the login ID and password. Okay, and when we enter the login ID, health 456, submit, and it will show the data: temperature, heartbeat, ECG, humidity, fault detection, and it will show the date and time. Okay, so it is showing the temperature data, temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, humidity sensor, fault detection sensor. And we are getting the email alerts also for a heartbeat alert, humidity alert, and body fault detection also we received. Okay, promotions and inbox. In the inbox, body temperature, humidity, and fault detection. Body fault detection also we received. Okay, and let's go for the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, 16 cross 2 LC display. And here is the reset button, and the title name is Real Time Patient Health Monitoring System through IoT using Android app. And Wi-Fi hotspot, require the hotspot internet in the project 1234, all are small letters. Mobile data on, and Wi-Fi hotspot on, and the user configuration is network ID, SSID is project, and the security password is project 1234. Done. And unlimited data, number of connections 8. Okay, and press the reset button. Real time patient health monitoring, heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, fault detection sensor, and ESP8266 module. Once again, power supply module, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor, ADXL335, and Wi-Fi ESP8266 module. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, it will set Wi-Fi connected, and the Wi-Fi device ESP63E48 Wi-Fi module. And we can see the data onto the main screen. Okay, so now I'm going for the right fallen. Okay, T for temperature, ECG, ADXL335, right fallen. So we will get the fault detection. Okay, here it will change. Send website sent. Okay, Wi-Fi sending, send completed. It will change. Send to website, sending. Okay, Wi-Fi sending, send completed. Yeah, it came. It is taking the time. Every 5 minutes it will update. Okay, Now LM35 temperature sensor. To increase the temperature, temperature 45 above, 45 above it will change. Okay, send to OK. Wi-Fi sending, send completed. Yeah, 43. It will update one by one. Okay, humidity 45. Okay, it is changed. Temperature 45 above, sending the data. Humidity 40 above, sending the data. And the heartbeat, it will come. Okay, you have to keep your fingers to the heartbeat sensor. It will take the heartbeat. H for humidity, T for temperature. And this is the body fall detection. And once again, power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16x2 LCD display, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, heartbeat sensor, and is fall detection is, and ECG sensor to connect your body. Check on the Google how to connect the ECG sensor to body. ADXL335 fall detection sensor, Wi-Fi ESP8266. I given your login ID password to your WhatsApp. Thank you. And you are getting the continuous email alerts. Okay, yeah, humidity alert, patient heartbeat alert, patient fall detection, body temperature alert, all email alerts we received.